They're just checking out the birds at the moment. This is a young one, nestling, well fed, very healthy, very healthy. Can't believe I've got straight reds out of birds that are definitely not reds, not straight red. The mother is a full-on blue. The father is a red pied. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That one has not even gone out of the loft yet. That's a very young one. Nice size too. Could even be a hen. Can you imagine? So this is the older brother. This one's already flown a bit around. It's the same size as the younger one. That's going to be a massive hen. So yeah, again, straight, nice little red. See how it molts and all that. Yeah, those. So this really young bird was flying and went up higher than the rest. He did well. The thing was, it went a bit too high, went a bit too far. A couple hours later, more like 4 or 5 hours later. Lucky they're plump birds, not too hungry. Definitely has landed somewhere, right? But it's come back. So once they do that, they don't tend to do that again, which is great. That means they've already learnt. They've learnt the area. Nice bird. It's a red version exact of my favourite flying hen, which was a black pied. Exactly like that, just black. She was one of the flies that were like flying 7+ hours. So we got a nice saddle, nice grey saddle there, and I can definitely move the parents away tomorrow. And probably in a week or two I'll put that in the other side as well. Yeah, it's a nice one. Now this tippler's come up pretty good too. A nice bigger size. Nice bigger size tip. Still only a nestling. Yeah. Already flying about. So I can't believe I'm getting straight blues as well. I cannot believe it. This is the brother of the pied that came back yesterday. All blue. Nestling. This is from same parents but different eggs. This is way younger. Yeah. So this guy went missing as well. So up to now we've got all birds that came back, which is amazing. I didn't even realise I was missing this one yesterday, so he came back today. He was flying in the video because you can tell by the wings. You'll see one with the wings kind of like that, and all of a sudden he wasn't here. I didn't even realise. I thought he probably landed. But all the birds have come back, so that's amazing. They're definitely, once they do come back, they're not going to go. That's the logic anyway. But yeah, that's good. So this is a nestling of that younger red. This one's come blue with just a little bit of white, very little bit of white. They're very feisty birds. It's alright. I've got 14 tail feathers. Still alright. Yeah. Young bird, nestling, well fed. So this one's from the red pied, but I did not pair it, it just got paired to a bird and just let them do what they did. So I don't know how this is going to be. Got no idea. But guess we'll see. Still a nestling, very young bird. Looks like it's going to molt out the orange reddy colour. The little scrawny ones come up alright. I put the parents on the other side already. Yeah. Crazy little bird. Used to get out of the nest, still didn't have feathers underneath to eat. There you go. Come up alright. The brother though. Brother's a monster. Look at that young bird. With its wings. Massive. Massive, strong bird. And then we've got these two guys over here. Little settle last round. And put the parents away. Once these grow up, put them aside as well. There. About it.